Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to show you guys how my room looks like now. So I redecorated my room a couple of months back, but I finally finished just now, like with the finishing touches and stuff like that. Before anything else, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, feel free to do so by clicking the subscribe button down below and click the bell button so that you can get notified whenever I have a new upload. So anyway, before we start, I'm going to show you my room. So before, my bed used to take up most of the space of the room. There's this shelf over here of random stuff. This cabinet over here, these are just my old uniforms, my old clothes, old jackets, and yeah, super tambak talaga. So disclaimer lang, I am not an interior designer, obviously, and I don't mean to like offend interior designers out there. Of course, I'm just a student and I can't really afford getting an interior designer to do this for me. Okay, so anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the video. I'm already inside my room, so this is my door. And that's my towel. And usually, meron akong laundry basket over here, but it's laundry day, so it's downstairs na. And now, okay, so this is where my mirror used to be. That's what I use every day in school. Just below that are my shoes. So for my shoes, I have my heels over here. Kaya sila nandyan, because hindi sila kasya sa baba. And I have some sandals over here, some slides over here, some Ralph Lauren, and some sparkly ones. And actually this is really cool because this is from Bangkok and it's really shiny and sparkly, and I'm all about that bougie life. But this was on sale. This was like $1 na lang, and it was my size, and it was the last pair, so definitely I bought that, and some white sneakers over here. Also, I forgot to mention, these two sandals over here are from Carissa X Strappies, a business owned by a friend of mine, and make sure to check that out. They have really nice sandals, and these are by far my favorite. Oops. So ayan, ito yung favorites ko, and they're actually kind of dirty na. And kasi nabasa yung feet ko, tapos ayan, edi nagmark. So if you guys know how to clean this up, please do let me know. Ayan siya, ayan, dirty na, ew. This is my bathroom over here. I'm not going to show you guys because it's very messy inside. So now let's go to my corner. So this corner over here, hi. Okay, so this corner over here used to have my makeup and other junk. Here, there were like 2 shelves over here. Just tambak here, tambak there, tambak everywhere. So anyway, I got like a grid wall thingy. This is from Ace Hardware actually. And I think you can buy grids like this from Lazada, or I'm not sure. This is actually not like for decoration purposes. This is for wires or something. They called it a wire mesh. Let me just show you what I got here. So that's my life motto over there. So it says here, don't ever let anyone dull your sparkle. But at the same time, you guys, don't dull other people's sparkles as well. Next, I have here my 20,000 peso challenge. Ayan. I got this from Pinterest. It's like a 52-week challenge. And ayan, I didn't bother doing it for 52 weeks. I just thought na parang I can do it like pag may extra money ako, just put it there in the money bank or whatever. So as you can see, there's an orange shade and there are pink shades. So the orange shades are Elijah's. And the pink ones are mine. So obviously, mas marami na ako nalagay. So bahala siya. We just started. I started last week. So, ayan. And for these ones naman, ayan, obviously it says focus. That's just to remind me to, you know, focus. And letter N, because obviously, Nikki, napalang. So, N is a really good letter for me. And these ones are care guides for my plants. This is the Gucci shades that I got during our cruise last year when we went to Europe. And yeah, one last look. Ayan siya. I actually plan on putting like a Polaroid here and probably somewhere there. This is my mirror. And obviously, kita naman yung buong outfit if ever. And I'm just wearing Elijah's sweatshirt and some shorts, sorry. Yeah. So this is actually like a really chill video. I didn't want to like make it OA na parang nakaglam pa ako and stuff. So, I'm showing you guys my room. So, ayan. This is my mirror. It used to be here, like I said. Tapos, these are my two babies. I got them from Shopleaf, PH. This is a snake plant and this is a sensation plant. So, snake plants you're probably familiar with na. You've seen this in a lot of places. This is a sensation plant. It's really cute. It's very tiny. And what I like about these is that they're not high maintenance at all. They don't need direct light. So, ayan, pero they're still by the window. So, medyo healthy naman yan for them. Like I said, they have a care guide. So, let's go back here. It says here how you're gonna take care of it. So, I just water my plants like once a week, every Saturday. And I wipe their leaves with a damp cloth because it says so here. This one is for the sensation plant. It's almost the same lang rin. And my mirror is kind of short. So, pag lumapit kang ganyan, putol yung ulo mo. To see your whole outfit, you have to go back a little bit. And, ayan, okay na siya. Although for the shoes, hindi mo masyado makikita because of the plants, but you'll still see naman if bagay. Nilagay ko siya on top of a box. As you can see over here. It's actually really short. It's a short mirror. This one naman, this I got from SNR. This was on sale. I got this for like 350 pesos. Well, technically, my mom bought it for me. So, I didn't buy it. She did. So, yeah. Ayan. Nagkaroon ng tapon ng lotion over here and here. That's why there are like spots. So, what else? Next, I have here my study table. So, it has wheels. This is from Lazada. I think this is around 500 pesos. It's DIY. You have to assemble it yourself. And ayan, this is really nice. So I have a room freshener here, some tissue, a hair tie, my pencil case, my glasses, this little cute guy over here watching over my room. Tapos I have here an essential oil. This is for my anxiety. My mom made this for me. And a moisturizer. And this one, this is my medicated moisturizer for my skin asthma, and it really comes in handy. Tapos ito, this is my notebook for school for one of my major subjects, and this one is my book in school for all of my subjects actually. Nakikita niyo ba how thick it is? Okay, so next, these guys over here are very important to me. One, this is the teddy bear that Elijah got me when he asked me to be his girlfriend on Valentine's Day last year. So it was 2018. This one naman, I won this in Coney Island in New York. I won this at this like game. And then David won a dinosaur. He has his own. Yeah. Anyway, now for my bed. Ayan. So this is my bed. And it's a Japanese style bed. And I forgot to tell you guys pala, I usually work in bed talaga. Usually nakadapa, or when I do decide to sit down, I just pull the study table. And this is my phone. Baka mahulog. So yeah, that's my laptop, my planner, my survival kit, and my wallet. I usually have these things over here just so if I need it. Especially my planner kasi that's where everything is written. And for my bed sheets, I'm not sure if this is like actual Versace, but Versace yung tatak niya. And I got it from SNR. Actually, I'm really thankful for the iPhone app, the measuring app thingy. What I did was I measured my bed and I measured this wall so I'd be sure if pag kunwari nilipat ko siya from here, dati kasi nakaganyan yung bed ko, if I put it like this way, kung kakasya, and obviously kasya naman siya. Okay, so before anything else, I'd like to excuse my broken drawers. This is where I sit down, and this is my vanity space. So let's sit down. Yan. Hi guys. So this one is a wire mesh as well. It has fairy lights in it. Wait, let me show you. Yan. It has fairy lights. And I plan on putting like pictures here, and you know, here we have my skincare products. Ito yung shelves na were at the end of my bed before. if you guys saw in the previous video. So I have masks over here, moisturizers, makeup removers, my Fix Plus. Before anything else pala, this is a DIY ring light that Elijah got me for my birthday, and I usually use the warm tone of this one so that whenever I use my vanity mirror, balanced yung light because all I got were cool toned lights. Now I have my foundations, concealers, and contour sticks, and everything else. Got my brushes over here. Actually, hindi yan complete. Kalat-kalat pa rin yung brushes ko. But, yeah. These containers are 79 pesos each in Miniso. I have here my palettes. So, this is a makeup box thingy. It has a mirror here. This is what I use whenever I travel. Well, no, not travel. When I have, like, makeup gigs. So, ayan, I have my palettes, my powder stuff. So, ayan silang lahat. And then, I have my Fossies over here. I have my lotions over here and my milk. I have here my hair tools. Ayan. Nandyan yung hair blower ko, iron, and since my hair curler can't fit inside, I just put it there sa likod. This VS bag is what my mom got me. These are my lipsticks, and actually kulang yun ng isa. Dapat nandyan yung Posh, but it's in my bag. So, anyway, and this is my lipstick collection, and actually before, mas marami pa yan. But a lot of my lipsticks are expired na, and I don't think it's a good idea to keep them anymore. The ones that are in front are my favorites. So, this is an ultimate favorite, by the way. This is NARS in the shade Dolce Vita. I haven't shown you guys this one in any of my videos, but that's like my favorite one. Okay, so my camera died. But this mirror is from Vanity Station Philippines. Make sure to check them out on Instagram. They have different sizes and you can have yours customized. I got this for 2,000 pesos if I'm not mistaken. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment down below your thoughts or just say hi or whatever. So follow me on social media. That's Nikki Napalang X on Twitter and Instagram. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!